Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create a business account in Facebook. Now there is no such thing as a business account. You can only create a normal account which everybody does on Facebook. But the thing is, you can create a page and convert that page into a business page. So in order to create a page, you need to create a Facebook account. So first create yourself a normal Facebook account. After you create yourself a normal Facebook account, click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. From over here, click on where it says pages. And from here at the top left corner, you can see the create option. Click on it. And over here, click on get started. Now from over here, we are going to create a business page. So I'm going to name my page chocolate. So let's say for an example, I'm a businessman who sells chocolate. So I'll name my page chocolate and click on next at the bottom. Once you name your page, you can select the categories. So I'm in food, so I will write food. So it's going to be food and drink. Then I'm going to click on create, and a Facebook page under the name chocolate and this tag food and drink is going to be created. But just because the page is created doesn't mean it's okay. You also need to choose it into a business page account. So for that, you need to choose promote your product or service at the top. Click on continue after you do that, and over here fill this bio up. Enter your business information and then your business website, email, phone number, its location, and its opening and closing hour. After you enter all of this, click on next, and then basically your Facebook business account will be created. So that's how you guys can create yourself a Facebook business account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.